Hello everyone, my name is Talia and I'm the content producer here at IPSY. Today I'm going to go over the ultimate gift guide for Valentine's Day. First, I'm starting off with my favorite, skincare. I feel like we tend to focus more on skincare for your face, but we can't forget the skincare for your body. I need to talk about this brand called Grown Alchemist. If you have not heard of this brand, please go try something from them because they are so good. I'm sure by now I've probably tried close to all of their products. At least for my skin, I feel like everything that I've tried has been really effective. So a few Grown Alchemist products that I think would make a great gift for Valentine's Day would be their body treatment oil. I love using this when I get out of the shower. It smells so good. And what I love about this oil is that it absorbs quickly and it leaves your body with this beautiful glow. Next is their intensive body cream. So if you want something that's more on the unfragrant side, I would probably go for this instead. Something that I think would pair really nicely with any body care or like skincare products that you want to gift. Get slippers. I don't know, I just really love being cozy. The people who get it, get it. Another product under the skincare category would be the Balm to the Rescue Face Scrub. This is very gentle. I love the way that this feels and makes my skin feel after I use it. It truly is gentle and it's made with rainforest sugar and everyone should be exfoliating. So if you have someone in your life that does not exfoliate, now is the time to give the gift that keeps on giving. This is Dew of the Gods Hyaluronic Lip Butter in Apple Sugarplum. I just love the way that it feels. It feels very hydrating. It has one of my favorite ingredients in there, hyaluronic acid, which is going to deliver hydration and give your lips a nice plump look. Last skincare product is the TULA Skincare Gold Glow and Get It. It's a cooling and brightening eye balm. This is definitely a product that I just throw in my bag and then the under eyes are starting to crease a little bit. I just go ahead and freshen up. Honestly, the result is like you just applied your concealer, which is amazing. If you have someone who is a fragrance lover who loves fruity or gourmand fragrances, the MEMOIRE Candy Shop fragrance is so nostalgic. I don't know what it is, but it just reminds me of something in my childhood. I feel like all the 90s kids need to try this if you haven't already. And just, what does it remind you of? Because I cannot think of what it reminds me of, but it feels so nostalgic. And the notes are apple blossom, sweet prickly pear, rock candy, and whipped vanilla. That sounds delicious. For the people who like more fruity scents, this is the ELLIS Brooklyn Apple Love fragrance. There's just something about this fragrance that smells like Valentine's Day to me. I don't have the fragrance notes on hand right now, but I'll put them on the screen. I feel like this fragrance is a really grown-up fruity scent. You're the Charlie XCX of your friend group and you have to give a gift to your Sabrina and your chapel. Danessa Myricks has it all for you. I love this brand so much. First is the Vision Flush Blush in TUTU. This is very pigmented. I actually have a little bit on right now. What I love about Danessa's products is like her products look good on every skin tone. Then I have the Infinite Chrome Flakes in Kiss Me. I think it's just perfect for anyone who's more adventurous with their makeup or like loves to have a little pop of color or likes to try something more adventurous for certain events. Press on nails. The ones from Glamnetic are affordable, quality, and are really cute. I would rather just press on and go. Instant manicure. Jewelry is really expensive, so you want to make sure that you're storing your jewelry in a nice protective case. For someone who travels a lot, I cannot recommend this enough. And then you can get them a case that's in their favorite color, and it's just such a cute, thoughtful gift. That does it for the ultimate gift guide for Valentine's Day. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to IPSY's YouTube channel, and comment down below if you want to see more videos like this. Happy Valentine's Day, bye guys!